Today I am making a marble strawberry cream cheese cake, and I'm starting with 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of butter. I am going to combine these two, so let's get started. This, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of sugar. For this recipe, I have 4 eggs. I'm going to add 1 at a time. Let's scrape down our bowl. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, now let's add our dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of flour, and to my flour I've added 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. We are going to start with the dry ingredients, and I'm also going to be using 3/4 cups of milk, room temperature. So let's add our flour. I'm going to stir this up some, and I'm going to add the milk. Now let's add half of our milk. Add the other half. I'm supposed to start with dry and end with dry, but I didn't do that. So I'm going to pour the rest of the milk in here. Leave that. left. Get our spatula and scrape down the sides. Is it sides or side? I'm gonna say side of the bowl. Don't want to overmix our batter. Okay, let's finish mixing our batter by hand. We don't want to overmix it. Gonna make sure we have everything mixed in. Let's get our batter in. Into the oven will go for approximately 40 to 50 minutes or until done. So I'll see you when it's baked. Temperature, baking temperature is going to be, for me, 325. I don't want it to crack, so I'm going to lower the temperature a little bit. Hopefully I will achieve that goal. Here's our final product. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. This is what our strawberry marble looks like. It's more marble on this side. This is it. This is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.